comfort food in the kitchen
corn
this morning.
star.
Hey,
Listen, I'll take it.
and that'll work.
I'm a corn star.
well, and we're corny, so it all works out well together. Leanne Miller, of course, with the Miller House Bed and Breakfast. So great to see you.
Well, it's great to be here.
Absolutely.
This is
Always.
awesome. Now, this is a family recipe.
Yes.
We're going to be making today. Obviously, corn. I mean, that's a staple with any like summertime grill out, cook out.
Yes, and if you're like our family, it's all about corn during corn season. So
Right.
we have it the traditional way where we boil it and use kosher salt and we roll it in the butter.
Oh, yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
And then when we're kind of like done with that, where we're all like, okay, we want something a little different.
Yeah.
This is a great, great recipe.
I love the
And
name of this recipe.
I know, Grandma Golden's Tally Ho.
Grandma Golden's Tally Ho.
Tally Ho.
Tally Ho.
Old-fashioned recipe.
Something you'd
All
bet
right.
on at a horse race.
No, hey.
You can bet on this.
Oh,
Sean.
I
You
promise.
can.
Now, you were
I will.
talking about doing it differently, but I am happy to see that we do still have butter involved.
Yes, Walnut Creek cheese, sweet cream butter.
Okay.
It's a salted butter. And it's important when you do these recipes that you don't skimp on quality. Use
Okay.
a nice butter because there's not a lot of ingredients in this recipe. So we want our butter to be great butter.
Awesome.
Okay.
Nobody does it like Amish country either.
I love it. So we have
Okay.
the we got the butter in
So
there.
we've
and then,
we've
ooh.
got our butter and we've got a half a cup, really easy recipe even just to remember.
Okay.
It's half, 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 half. Half a cup of onion,
Okay.
half a cup of red pepper,
Yeah.
half a cup of green pepper.
You get a little color and a little spice.
And we just kind of let this saute just a little bit. You
Okay.
don't need to, it doesn't need to be, like your onions, you don't want them translucent. You don't want this to completely cook up
Okay.
because we're going to add our sweet corn.
So
Now,
sweet corn is the one you want to go with, not the golden?
Yes, sweet
Okay.
corn, okay. No, Grandma Golden, that's her name. Her last
Right.
name's Golden.
Yeah.
So it worked.
Okay.
Grandma Golden's Tally Ho. Okay, this
Well,
gadget
now what is
right
this thing? Yeah.
here. This is what all the Amish women use
Well, it
when
said
they
sharp
do
blades, so I stayed
very
away from it.
sharp blades. Now,
Yes.
my husband adjusted the blades for me last night. All you do is run your corn right over the blade,
that's brilliant.
and it just takes it right off the cob.
Oh, awesome.
$11.99 at Walnut Creek Cheese. Awesome, awesome, awesome.
Is this
Awesome
already
piece.
cooked corn then?
No.
Okay.
This is and the recipe even tells you that. This
Okay.
is uncooked corn off the
Gotcha.
cob.
So you'll run it down that
You just
thing
run it down the blade, 10 or 12
while
years.
it's raw.
While
Okay.
it's raw. Now, of course, at the Miller House, we do breakfast.
Yes,
so
you
this
do.
was actually the Miller home.
Oh,
Our home last night.
nice.
We
Wow,
made
okay.
this dish. And honestly, there were 6 of us.
Yeah.
I could have doubled the recipe. I really could have.
Well,
People
hey, when
loving
I'm
it.
involved, you could double it too, Leanne.
So
I'm
we're
just
going to put
saying.
this in. Look how beautiful that is going in. Our
does.
corn looks so nice.
Oh, that's
This
Okay.
is
sweetness.
fresh corn. Now, we're not going to really add a whole lot of spice. We don't really need to because the corn
Well, you said
is
keep
so
it simple.
sweet. Right. We've got about 3/4 teaspoon to a half teaspoon of kosher salt.
Okay.
Just a little bit
Little
of
salt.
depth of flavor. 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now listen,
Ooh.
if you're watching your sugar, don't put it in. You don't have to put the sugar in.
Okay.
Okay.
I just like it. I think it
But
brings
it kind
out
of
the
like,
natural sugars.
and
in
it goes well with
corn.
the like the little spice from the peppers too,
Absolutely.
probably.
So
Okay.
look how beautiful this
It
is.
is really
It does
nice.
look really good.
Incorporated all our wonderful colors
It's
of
like a
summer.
succotash, sort of, right?
It's so good. Now, last night at supper, one of the boys took a tortilla chip and was dipping his,
Oh,
because we had
man.
guacamole with this, you know,
Right.
like a fresh guacamole with fresh avocados.
Okay.
Great side dish with this.
All right, so we're starting to get tight on time here, but I noticed you have tomato too.
Yes. We're gonna just
How-
cook
like, how long
this
does that
for
go?
about 10 minutes.
Okay.
You don't need longer than 10 or 12 minutes because your corn's already soft.
Right.
You don't want this to become mushy. Okay,
Right.
no mushy.
Okay.
Get that
Then
little bit of crunch.
Turn your heat off and just fold your tomatoes in. Just a nice, ripe, fat tomato. Fold it in at the very end and serve it. Now, I will tell you, I put optional on the recipe on Fox 28. On the recipe, I put the tomatoes optional. My husband doesn't love tomatoes, and he works so hard during the summer, so I
God
want to make
love 'em.
sure he loves our supper. So
Right.
I left the tomato out last night.
Right. Okay.
But the tomato gives it a nice, fresh, nice fresh summer flavor.
Well, you can like have a family vote on it. Is this your family off camera? by the
No,
way?
actually,
We
my
have some
my
people over here.
beautiful, wonderful assistant Jenny Bunn. It's her daughters, Natalie and Naomi, and their friend
girls.
who's from
They're
Columbus.
so cute. Hi, guys.
All right, and so we have to. I mean, so have you guys tried this? It's good stuff, right?
Have you had the tally ho?
Yes, the tally ho.
No, but they're gonna in a few minutes.
All right. Well, that sounds good. They'll have it with us. And by the way, we talked about the recipe. You saw how simple it is. We put
So
Leanne's recipe.
easy.
We put Grandma Golden's Tally Ho recipe on myfox28columbus.com. Just click on Good Day Columbus, then click on recipes and news links. You can go to the Miller House website
Yes.
and Walnut Creek Cheese.
Yes.
And
check
get your
us out
salted
on
butter.
Facebook. We do a lot of fun stuff on Facebook, the Miller House, right now.
Awesome.
Miller House Bed and Breakfast. We share our recipes on there, and it's fun. It's a fun way to stay in touch.
It's a fun place to be. Thank you so much, Leanne.